ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्धधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ओम श्री
ॐ श्री
परमात्मने नमः।
परमात्मने नमः।
अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः।
अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः।
अर्जुन उवाच
अर्जुन
अर्जुन
उवाच
उवाच
दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते मुखानि दृष्ट्वैव कालानलसन्निभानि
दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते
दंष्ट्राकरालानि च ते
मुखानि
मुखानि
दृष्ट्वैव
दृष्ट्वैव
कालानलसन्निभानि
कालानलसन्निभानि
दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्मा प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास।
दिशो न
दिशो न
जाने न
जाने
लभे
न
च
लभे च
शर्म
शर्म
प्रसीद
प्रसीद
देवेश
देश
जगन्निवास।
जगन्निवास।
I think this was the last shloka. In the beginning, Arjuna was much enthused to see the Vishwarupa Darshana of the Lord. Now, he doesn't have the courage to stand before this sight. He lost his peace of mind. So, and he's frightened. Therefore, he says the cause for this fear. The shloka which we saw. Dramshtra karalani cha te mukani drishtvaiva kala nalasannibhani. As I said before, this is a good chapter to practice compounds. Mukhani is the mouth. Drishtva, having seen your mouth. Mukhani drishtva. Not one mouth. He has got so many mouths. That's why Mukhani. Dramshtra karalani. Dramshtra bihi karalani. Vikritani. Mukhani te. Mukhani drishtva. Dramshtra karalani. Dramshtra bihi dantaihi. The teeth. Canine teeth. Karala bihi. Dramshtra karalani. Bhayanakani. Bhayanakani, very frightening. The danta, the dramshtra karalani, the teeth, which are protruding canine teeth. Therefore, it is bhayankarani. Dramshtra bihi karalani vikrita akarani, that it is very bhayankarani, frightening. Kala nala sannibhani. Kala nala sannibhani. Kalaha. Kala is the anala. Sannibhani sadrishani. So, Kalaha analaha iva. The time is like analaha iva, like Kalaha analaha iva. Kala nala sannibhani. Kala nala sannibhani, meaning this mouth is like Kalagni. Kalaha, Kalagni, Rudraya, Neela, Kantaya. We say Vishveshwaraya. Kala is like the Agni, because Kala is, it is Sarva Bhakshakaha. It consumes everything. So, that's why we say Kala Agni. Kala is not Agni. Kalaha Agnihi Iva. So it's a compound. What compound? You know. Upamitam Vyaghradibhihi Samanya Prayoge. We have seen that sutram. There we saw the example. Even in Gita also. Purusha Rishabhaha. Purushaha. Rishabhaha Iva. So similarly, Kalaha Analaha Iva. Agnihi Iva. Kala Agni. Sannibhani. Kala Nalena Sannibhani. Anala Sannibhani. Analena Sannibhani. Anala Sannibhani. Sadrisha. In Karaka, just recently we saw, when Sadrisha Tulya is the Tritiya. Tulyena Tulyaha Devadattena Devadattasya. So like that. Sadrishena Analena Sadrishaha. You have to make like that. Analena Sadrishaha. Analena Sannibham. Here Sannibhani, because it is Mukhani. Analena Sannibhani. Kala Nalena Sannibhani. Sorry. Sannibhani, Sadrisham, Sannibham. Kala Nalena, yes. Kala Nalena Sannibhani, yes. Kala Nalena Sannibhani. Tritiya, Tat Purushamasa, it's correct. So, like Tulyaha Devadattena, Sadrishaha Devadattena, Devadattena Sadrishaha. Similarly here, Kala Nalena Sadrishani Sannibhani. Sannibhani means similar. So, Tritiya, Kala Nala Sannibhani. The mouth is like the Kala, the time. It is Sadrisha. Analam fire. Alamna vidyate iti analaha. So, Arjuna compares that to the fire which destroys everything. Sannibham, similar. Therefore, Drishta, having seen the mouth, having seen the mouth which is frightening because it is the canine teeth protruding, and it is like the Kala time, the time is compared to the fire and consumes everything. Like the Pralaya Agni consumes everything. Pralaya also compared to Agni. Why Agni? Because Agni consumes everything, converts everything to ash. So Pralaya, there is a total dissolution. Agni destroys everything. That is why compared to Agni. Kalaha Agnihi iva. Kala, Nala, Kalaha, Analaha iva, Kala, Nalaha. Kala, Analena, Sadrishani, Mukhani. Seeing that, Arjuna got fear, Drishtva, Ikshitva. Dishaha na jane, I do not know the direction. He has lost his direction. He forgot where he is. It's lost the direction. He has lost the road. Disho na jane na labhe cha sharma. He asked for Vishwarupa Darshana, thinking that it would give him peace of mind, happiness, but his happiness is gone. Shama Sukam na labhe, aham na labhe, Sukam na labhe, aham dishaha na jane. Dishaha is 2-1. Dik disho disha, disham disho, dishaha 2-3. Directions. I do not know the directions. Dishaha is not ekavachanam. Strilinga. Dik disho dishaha, disham disho, dishaha, dishaha na jane. Sharma na labhe. Sharma also. Sharma is not Sharmaha, Sharma, Napumsakalinga. Sharma, 2-1. Na labhe, Sukam na labhe. Ye Devesha, Devanam, Ishaha Devesha, Prasida, may you be pleased. May you have grace. Prasannaha Bhavatu. Prasida. Devesha, Devanam, Ishaha, Deveshaha, the Lord of Devas. And Jagannivasa. Jagannivasa, the interesting word. Jagannivasa, Vishwa Niketana. This word can be interpreted in 2 ways. Vajrasamiji translates it as Jagannivasa as the Lord in whom the world exists. The Lord in whom the world exists. So Bhagavan is there in whom the world exists. Or we can say the Jagat resides in the Jagat, the Bhagavan resides. The Jagat is the residence of the Lord in both ways. So if that is so, then the compound will be, if it is Bhaguvargi compound, Jagan Nivasa. So there, Jagat Nivasaha Yasya Saha. Jagat is the abode of the Lord. That is one way of interpreting this word, Jagat Nivasa Sambodhana. That is also true. Jagat is the Nivasa, abode, residence. For whom? That person, that is Lord, Jagat Nivasa. So Jagat is the abode, the residence for the Lord. Or Jagataha Nivasaha. Jagat resides in whom? That's what, in fact, the Swamiji in the translation takes. The Lord in whom the world exists. Jagataha Nivasaha Shashti Tadpurusha. Jagat Nivasaha. Jagat Nivasa, Jagan Nivasa. Yaraha Unasike, Yarunasike. So Jagan Nivasa. By the Sandhi, Jagan Nivasa iti. E Jagan Nivasa, e Deva Devesha, Prasida, Prasannaha Baba. Iti. Arjuna, he prays for the Lord. This we saw. Then he continues further. He says, so now here, when Arjuna has doubt is that who will win the war? That also, he had a doubt. That's why he lamented in the beginning of the chapter. Who will win? We don't know. Yediva na Jayema or Jaya Yugu, he had a doubt. Whether we will win or we will be won over. So that also Bhagavan clarifies. Who will win the war? That also is resolved by seeing the Vishwarupa Darshana. For Arjuna, that also is resolved. Bhagavan has already shown the result. The interesting thing is, even though Bhagavan has already revealed, not only to Arjuna, this is seen by Anjaneya, which is there in the flag, the Dvaja of the chariot of the Arjuna. And also by Sanjaya, and it is by Dhritarashtra also. But still Dhritarashtra did not give up, did not discourage his son Duryodhana from continuing the war. He was so greedy. He thought no, his son would win and will get the kingdom. That is Maya. That is real delusion. Bhagavan has already revealed the result. The result is already known. Before writing the exam, the results are published. Let us read the shloka number 26. 26, yes. Ami chatvam dhritarashtrasya putraah
अमी च त्वां
धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः
सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः
सर्वे
सर्वे
सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः
सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः
भीष्मो द्रोणः सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ
भीष्मो द्रोणः सूतपुत्रस्तथासौ
द्रोणस्तुतपुत्रस्तथासौ
सहस्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः
सहास्मदीयैरपि
योधमुख्यैः
योधमुख्यैः.
The shloka is not complete because the Kriya Padam is there in the next shloka. Dhritarashtrasya putraha ami ime Dhritarashtrasya putraha along with other people Bhishma Drona Sutaputra Yodamukhyahi Saha Asmadiyahi Saha Yodamukhyahi what? Kriya Padam not there. All they enter into the mouth of the Lord. That is then the next shloka. Therefore, we will read the next shloka also. Then only it is complete because Kriya Param is the next shloka. Vaktrani te tvaramana vishanti.
वक्त्राणि ते स्वरमाणा विशन्ति
Dramshtrakaralani bhayanakani.
दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि
भयानकानि
Kechid vilagna dashanantareshu.
केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु
दशनान्तरेषु
Sandrishyante churnitairuttamangai.
सन्दृश्यन्ते
सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः.
Bhashakara and the Bhashim itself, he says, Tvaramana Vishanti iti vyavahitena sambandha. Sambandha by separation. It means you have to read the shloka together. 26th shloka, all are the names of the people are mentioned along with others. They what? That is right. Vyavahitena sambandha. Tvaramana Vishanti. The Vishanti, the Kriyapadam. So, with Sanskritam knowledge, we can easily do the splitting. Of course, Sandhi and Anvaya, I can do it. Vishanti. Now, Arjuna is blessed with the sight of Bhavishyat Kala. Future is just unfolding before Arjuna. Bhagavan is revealing. Is it good to know the future in advance? It will cause more worry. Already worry is there. It will cause more worry. Because it is going to happen. Because it is revealed. That's what going to happen. It is shown. If it is good, you will be happy. If you're happy, you will be restless. You will be restless for that. If it is bad, then you will start worrying from now onwards. So that is better. That's why it's better always not to know the future. Let it come as it comes. Agantam swagatam kuryat. Whatever comes, welcome. If we know when we are going to die, then we'll keep counting days from now onwards. So better not to know. It's a blessing, in fact. So, but to Arjuna, the result of the war is shown. Vishanti, enter the Vishanti. Vishanti, they enter. And how they are Tvaramanaha Vishanti. Tvaramanaha, they are Tvarate Atmanipada. Tvaramana Shanaj. Tvaramanaha Vishanti. Bhagavachanam. Tvaramanaha. It is present participle Shanaj. Tvaramanaha, they Vishanti. Kutra Vishanti. Vishdatu Sakarmaka. Vishanti. Prasadam Vishanti, we say. Mukani Vishanti. Mukani we have to supply. Mukani is the Mukani. Mukani Vishanti. Svaramana aste Vishanti. They enter into the mouth of the Lord. So Vishanti, Tvaramana Vishanti. Vaktrani is Mukani. Don't have to look for the word Mukani. Mukani is there in the previous shloka, but here Vaktrani. That is Mukani. That is karma. So te Vaktrani, that is Mukani. Bhagavan has got many mouths. So Vaktrani Vishanti. Ke Vishanti. Ke Vishanti. Ami. Aso, Amu, Ami. That is Pullinga. Pullinga. Ayami, Mo, Ami. Of course, it is Pullinga only here. Aso, Amu, Ami. So these people, Ami is Bhagavachanam. Adashabdasya Bhagavachanam. Ami te sarve, the word samastaha, sarve, ke te dhritarashtrasya putraha, dhartarashtraha, duryodhanadayaha, te, sons of Dhritarashtra. Sarve, samastaha, all the people. Avani, saha, sahaiva, along with saha, sahaiva, sahatritiya, sahaiva, sahayukte apradane, Dhritarashtra putraha, along with that which is apradana, is Tritiya. Who are they? Avani pala sangaihi. Avani means Prithvi. In Tamil also we use the word Avani. Avaniyapuram, Avani. Avani is Prithvi. Avanim palayanti, rakshanti. Iti Avani palaha. The one who protects the Prithvi. Who are they? Raja, kings. Rakshanti, te. Ye rakshanti, avanim palayanti rakshanti, te. Te avani palaha, Prithvi palaha, Prithvi palaha, Bhupatihi. That is the meaning. There are many kings, Jayadratha, etc. Many kings were there. Sangaihi, Samugaihi, the group. Along with the Dhritarashtra Putraha, Dhartarashtraha, Sarve, Tvaramana Vishanti, Vaktrani Vishanti. They enter into Te. Te is your. Te, Tava, Vaktrani, Vishanti, Tvaramana, rapidly, quickly. The quick speed, they enter. As though they got some important job to do. They enter into the mouth of you, Vishanti. And also Bhishmaha. Bhishma also enters into the mouth of you. Bhishmaha, Kaurava Senapatihi, Bhishmaha, Pitamagaha, Dronaha, Dronacharya, Sutaputraha, Karnaha, Sutaputraha, Tata, Asau Sutraputraha. Asau should be connected to Asau. Tata Asau Sutraputra. That Sutraputra also, Karnaha also. Saha Sutaputraha. Saha, along with them. There are on the part of the side of the Kauravas. Asmadiyehi api Yoda Mukhyahi. The Mukhya, the Yoda Mukhyahi, Yodeshu, Yuddeshu. Mukhyahi. Yuddeshu, Bhateshu, among all the people. Mukhyahi, Pradhanehi. Who are there on our side? Pradhana Purusha. Shikandi, Drishtadyumna, Shikandi, Drishtadyumna, Adibhischa. Shikandi, Drishtadyumna, and others on our sides. They also. In fact, he sees his Drishtadyumna, Virata, Abhimanyu, his son also Arjuna sees. Adipada, everyone. Yoda Mukhya, they are important people, great warriors on our side also. They also enter into your mouth. In the beginning, Arjuna was happy with the vision. Now he is not, because he is seeing the destructive aspect of the Lord. Bhagavan is both constructive and destructive, creative and destructive. Sashtikarta, Sthitikarta, as well as Layakarta. The earthquake also is a manifestation of the Lord. It is destructive aspect of the Lord. Earthquake. Destruction. We cannot accept only construction, creative. Destruction also we need to accept, because Bhagavan is both sides of the same coin. Bhagavan. He is a creator, he is a destructor also. It is he, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa beautifully gives a simile. That is, in his vision, he saw a dark woman, with her hair disheveled, that is Kali, emerged from the river, Ganga river. She was pregnant. She gave birth to the baby. And after she gave birth to the baby, she fed the baby. And after some time, she killed and ate and went back to the river. That is Kali. That is Kala. She is the one who creates and she is the one who destroys. So Kalaha Jagat Bakshakaha Sarve te Vaktrani Tvaramana Vishanti. In great speed, rapidly they enter into your mouth. What mouth? Dramshtra Karalani. The mouth which has rows of canine teeth projecting outside. Dramshtra Karalani, and they are Bhayanakani. They are very frightening. They enter into the mouth. And when they enter, what happens? Kechit Vilagnaha Dashanantareshu. Kechit, some people. Kechit Vilagnaha. Some people, what happened to some people? They are Vilagnaha. They are caught. Vilagnaha, Sallagnaha. They are caught in between the canine teeth of you. Dashanantareshu. Dantantaraleshu. In between the canine teeth, they are caught. Therefore, they are like the mamsa, they are crushed. Sandrishyante, that is also Samyak Drishyante Lokyante. Maya, Arjuna says, Sandrishyante. They are seen to be crushed, caught between the canine teeth. And Chunitaihi, Uttamangaihi. Chunitaihi, Uttamangai, Uttama Anga. What is Uttama Anga? What is the Anga? Anga meaning part. Which part is Uttama? Shiraha is the Uttama. Shiraha Pradhanam. Shiraha is the Pradhanam. That is Uttama Anga. That Uttama Anga is Churnita. They are crushed. Uttama Anga is Churnita. Churnita hi Uttama Anga hi Shirobihi. Uttama Anga is Shiras. Churni Krutaihi Shirobihi Mamsamiva Bhakshitam Sandrishyante. So Arjuna sees their heads are crushed. Churnitaihi Uttamangaihi Dantaraleshu. Some Vilagnaha, they are caught. Mamsamiva Bhakshitam Drishyante. He sees. So Shiramsi Churnitani Drishyante. Dantana Madhye Vilagnaha Drishyante. Kechit. So Arjuna sees here a frightening sight. And he saw all people entering, including his own people, Abhimanyu also, his son. But this vision is only for the short time. After that, Arjuna comes back to the Vyavahara. He forgets this also. And actively in the war, he participates in the war. Bhagavan revealed, and again the Maya, it covers, like the water which is covered by scum. When you move away the scum, you see the clear water, you can drink it. And after some time, the scum again comes back and close. That's how Maya is with Avarana Shakti. So Arjuna is, even though he has seen, but again, Maya covers his vision. Then the next shloka. How these people enter into the Vaktrani, Mukhani, Damshtra Kalani, Bhayanakani, Mukhani, that Arjuna presents here through two examples. This shloka 28 as well as in the next shloka 29. Yatha nadinam bhagavom bhuvegaah.
Yatha
nadinam bhagavom
Samudrameva bhimukha dravanti.
समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा
द्रवन्ति
द्रवन्ति
तथा तवामि नरलोकवीराः
तथा
तवामि
तवामि
नरलोकवीराः
नरलोकवीराः
विशन्ति विशन्ति वक्त्राण्यभिज्वलन्ति
विशन्ति वक्त्राणि
वक्त्राण्यभिविज्वलन्ति
ज्वलन्ति
तो यथा तथा द्रवन्ति द्रवन्ति दो धातु द्रवन्ति ध्रुव धातु इट इज द्रवन्ति is flows द्रवन्ति what द्रवन्ति यथा नदीनां भगवः अम्बुवेगाः समुद्रम् अभिमुखाः एव द्रवन्ति समुद्रम् अभिमुखाः द्रवन्ति द्रवन्ति flows अम्बुवेगाः द्रवन्ति गच्छन्ति कुत्र गच्छन्ति समुद्रम् अभिमुखाः सागरम् अभिमुखाः गच्छन्ति अभिमुखाः आभिमुख्येन त्वरमाणाः गच्छन्ति all the rivers अम्बुवेगाः अम्बु is water vega is pravaha the flow so ambuvega is jala pravaha that is nadyah the waters of the river ambuvegaha bhagavaha not one or two may are many bhagavaha ambuvegaha jala pravaha nadinam jala pravaha bhagavaha samudram abhimukha they are abhimukha they are samudram abhimukha समुद्रम अभिमुख्य समुद्रम अभिमुखी कृत्य प्रविशन्ति दे फ्लो दे एंटर गच्छन्ति नदीनां स्रवन्तीनां नदीनां गंगा यमुना सरस्वती इत्यादि नदीनां स्रोतवस्तीनां अनेके नाना मार्ग प्रवृत्ताः अम्बुवेगाः जलप्रवाहाः समुद्रम् अभिमुखीकृत्य गच्छन्ति द्रवन्ति समुद्रम अभिमुख्य गच्छन्ति and they enter into samudra so towards the ocean keeping abhimukhi keeping it in view keeping samudram in view they flow towards the ocean all the rivers all the rivers and the tributaries they flow they head towards the ocean coming from different directions bhagavaha tata similarly Ami Naraloka Viraha. Ami, te, these, those. Ami. Naraloka Viraha, Narasya. Naralokaha is Naranam Lokaha, Naralokaha. Naralokanam Viraha, Naraloka Viraha. So Naraloka, Ami Naraloka Viraha. These Naraloka Viraha, Manushyaha. Naraloka, Manushaloka. Manushya, Loka Viraha. Shuraha te vishanti they enter into where tava vaktrani they enter into your mouth tava te tava is shashti te tava vaktrani mukhani this dramshta karalani bhayanakani mukhani vishanti one more kriya padam is there abhivijwalanti that is not kriya padam abhivijwalanti qualifying vaktrani so it is shatranta vaktrani vaktram vaktre vaktrani mukham mukhe mukhani napumsakalinga therefore abhijwalanti also is shatranta abhivijwalat abhivijwalanti like jagat jagati jaganti napumsakalinga rupam takarantah abhivijwalat shabdah why napumsakalinga because vaktrani is napumsakalinga so don't think abhivijwalanti is kriyapadam abhivijwalanti is shatranta it is a qualifier to the qualified vaktrani abhitaha abhi is abhitaha paritah parvatah v stands for visheshena abhitaha visheshena jwalanti jajvalyamanani mukani De Deepyamanani Mukani, the Mukha which is blazing. Why Mukha? Many Mukhas. That's why Mukhani, Abhijvalanti, Bhagavachanam. Because many mouths are there. Therefore, they are blazing. They are glowing. De Deepyamanani Mukhani. Into that mouth which is blazing fire. So they enter into Prakashamanani, Abhivijvalanti is, you can say Prakashamanani Vaktrani, Pravishanti, they enter. Like the rivers enter into the ocean. Rivers head towards the ocean. Similarly, all these people, they head towards your mouth. And while entering only, they get crushed by your canine teeth. They are pulverized. Shiramsi churnitani drishyante. Iti, he saw. Arjuna saw, he described. Then he gives another example, the next shloka. Yatha pradiptam jvalanam patangaha
यथा प्रदीप्तं
प्रदीप्तं
ज्वलनं
ज्वलनं
पतङ्गाः
पतङ्गाः
विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः
विशन्ति नाशाय समुद्धवेगाः
विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः
Samruddha, not
समृद्ध
Samuddha,
समृद्ध
Samruddha Tataiva Nashaya Vishanti Lokaha
तथैव नाशाय
नाशाय
विशन्ति
विशन्ति
लोकाः
लोकाः
Tavapi Vaktrani Samruddha Vegaha.
तवापि
तवापि
वक्त्राणि
वक्त्राणि
समृद्धवेगाः
समृद्धवेगाः
Here also a Drishtanta is given by Arjuna. That's why Yatha Tata. Yatha Nadinam Jalapravagaha Samudram Abhimukhaha Jalapravagaha Gachanti Dravanti Tata Naraloka Viraha Vaktrani Abhijvalanti Tava Vaktrani Vishanti iti. Arjuna he described. Now here he says, Pradiptam, Yata Pradiptam Jwalanam Patangaha. Patanga is moths, that firefly. It's a nice word, Patanga, Patangaha. You see the word. Pat. Pat also is there, Ga also is there. Gacchati iti Gaha. Patangaha Bhagavachanam. Pratipadikam Patanga. So Gacchati iti Gaha. And Katam, how does it go? Patat, Patan, Patan, Gacchati iti Patangaha. Patan will become Nakara. Will be replaced by Parastavarna, therefore Patanga. It's a compound, Upapada Samasa. We have a rule. Gamascha, on Sutram is there. 3-47. We have not seen Upapada Samasa. We have shifted the topic from Samasa to somewhere. So is there. Gamascha, on Sutram is there. Gamehe, Dhatoho. Supi Upapade, Sanyayam Vishaye, you can check later. Kach Pratyaha Bhavati. Kach is a little longer section. There are many sutras after that. Kach Pratyaya. Kach Pratyaya is ordained after the Gam Dhatu, which has a Upapada, Supi Upapada, Subanta Upapada. So Patan is Patan Shatranta. Patan Gachanti iti Patangaha. Patan Gachanti. They fall into the fire. Patan Gachanti. And fire here compared to the mouth of the Lord. And fireflies they are the people who enter Naraloka Viraha, who enter into the fire. The fire is the mouth of the Lord. So therefore jivas are compared to the insects. And the insects enter into the fire. And here the jiva enter into the mouth. That is fire. That is fire. Blazing fire compared to the fire. So fourth Patangaha, Patangachanti, Patangaha, they enter into the fire. Pradiptam Jwalanam Patangaha Vishanti. Jwalanam Pradiptam Prakarshena Deepta. That which is well kindled. That which is well kindled. Pradiptam Prakarshena Deeptam Pradiptam. Deepta is that which is kindled. Deepta Ta Pratyaya. That which is well kindled. Jwalanam. Jwalanam, it is Agni. Jwalanam stands for Agni. Agnim. The Agni which is well kindled. Prakarshena Deeptam Prajwalitam Agnim. Patangaha Vishanti, they enter. Patangaha, Shalabhaha, moths, they enter into Jwalantam, Jwalitam. Jwal dhatu is shed dhatu. Therefore, Jwalitam, not Jwalantam. Jwalitam Agnim Vishanti. For what purpose? That also is given. Karmanayam Abhipraiti. No, here it is Nasha, not Karmanayam Abhipraiti. Here it is Sampradana is Nashaya. Tadarte Chaturthi. Nashaya. Samruddha Vegaha. Tibra Vegaha. Samruddha. Samyak. Ruddha Vegaha. It is Tibra. Tivrena Gachanti. Enter into that at a rapid speed. They just fall and then die, disappear. They die. Samruddha Vegaha. Vega is the speed of flow. And it is Samruddha. Samruddha Vegaha. Tivra Rayaha. Tivra Javaha. Samruddha Vegaha in the Bhashyam Bhashyakara. It says Samruddhaha. Udbhutaha Vegaha Gatihi. Vegaha is Gatihi, movement. Yesham te, compound, Bhugri compound. Samruddhaha Vegaha. Vegaha is Gatihi. Yesham te, Samruddha Vegaha, qualifying Patangaha. Samruddha Vegaha, Patangaha. Nashaya, Tadarte Chaturthi. They enter for the purpose of destruction, for their own destruction. They enter. And they, Tataiva, similarly, Nashaya. Lokaha Vishanti Nashaya. Kutra Tavapi Vaktrani. They enter into your mouth. Dramshra Karalani, Bayanakani, Mukhani, Tava Mukhani. Enter into, and there also Samruddha Vegaha. Yes, Samruddha Vegaha, qualifying. Lokaha. Samruddhaha, Udbhutaha, Vegaha, Gatihi, Yeshante, Samruddha Vegaha, Lokaha, Tvaramanaha, Lokaha, at a rapid speed they enter into your mouth for destruction. Samruddha Vegaha. Tibra Gamanaha. Praninaha, Jivaha, Tava Mukhani, Nashaya. Swanashaya, for the destruction of themselves. Atma Vinashaya, for the destruction of oneself. Atma Vinashaya, Gachanti, Vishanti, enter. Trivishanti. Atma Vinashaya, Nashaya, Maranaya. So they enter. Tataiva. Taiva means Evakara is also explained by some Tika Kara. Eva is Nishchayena, for sure. This Lokaha, Naraloka Viraha, Duryodhanadayaha, Dhatarashtraha, Duryodhanadayaha, Asmadiyaha, even our own people, they enter into your mouth and they get destroyed. Swanashaya Vishanti. Iti. Then Arjuna, he says, having given then, now all people, they enter into the mouth of the Lord, and Bhagavan is tasting the blood, tasting the human flesh. How does Bhagavan feels about it? For Arjuna, it seems that Bhagavan is enjoying this Mamsa Bhaksha, Mamsa Annam. Because Bhagavan is, all people enter into, Bhagavan doesn't say enough, he continues to consume, therefore it seems that he enjoys the whole thing. That's what Arjuna thinks. So therefore he says, Leligyase Grasamana Samantat.
Lelihyase Grasamana Samantat.
Lokan Samagran Vadanair Jwaladbihi.
Lokan Samagran Vadanair Jwaladbihi.
Tejo Birapurya Jagat Samagram.
Tejobhirapurya Jagat Samagram.
Vasastavo Graf Pratapanti Vishnu.
Vasastavo Pratapanti Vishnu.
Vishnu, Sambodhana. Hey
Vishnu.
Vishnu. Sambodhana. Vishnu, Vishdhatu. Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu. Vishwam, Sarvavyapi. He is the one who pervades everywhere. Sarvavyapi Ityartaha. Vish. Sarvavyapin. Ye Sarvavyapin. Ye Karin. Ye Sarvavyapin. Le Ligyase. Tvam Le Ligyase. Say is Vidya. Madhyama Purusha. Ekavachanam. Te Itayante Se. Le Ligyase. We are going to see this later. Yanganta. Young look anta, in fact, it is. Young look anta. Like Sananta we saw next one. Le Ligyase. You can see the duplication. Le Li. Chandrambya Manaha. Janganya Manaha. All these are the duplication. Is Ritvam. So it is Yanganta. Young look anta. This is Yanganta. So Dhatu is Lig Dhatu. Lig to Lig. Lig Dhatu. Lit or lid, liho, ligaha, liham, ligaho, ligaha. In fact, we saw madulid, etc. So ligdatu. Le likhyase, yanganta, ligdatoho, yanganta rupam. Ligdatu aswadanam, to taste. It is ubepadi. So le ligyase, yanganta is the sense of atishayena lady. Not lady means LADY. Lady is ligdatoho, latlakara rupam. Lady, lig plus tip pratyaya, lady. Atishayena lady. Iti Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam le ligyase. The Vigraha Vakya is given like that. Atishayena lady. Or Atishayena. Here Madhyama Purusha is Ekavachanam is there. For Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam we can say lady. So lady is. Then lig plus say. There also. Lady is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. What about Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam of lig dhatu aswadan lekshi. So Atishayena lekshi. That's how the Vigraha Vakya should be given. Le lighya te is Atishayena lady le ligyate. Le ligyase is that. So Atishayena lekshi. Iti le ligyase. Le ligyase. Aswadayasi ityartaha. Simple meaning. Bhashyakara Vibhashyam, he says. Because why? Because Bhagavan seems to lick again and again. Frequentative. That's what Yanganta is. Frequentative. Lick again and again. It licks again and again. Therefore, le ligyase. Atishayena lekshi. Tvam atishayena lekshi. Tvam le ligyase. Tvam aswadayasi. You lick again and again. You lick again and again. Krasamanaha samantal loka. Samanta torli. Samantal lokan. Samanta lokan samagran vadanair jwaladbihi. Jwaladbihi. It is samastan lokan. Samastan lokan. So samastan. It is nakara. Therefore, that's be it is replaced by Anunasika component of lakara. That should be Chandrabindu. I'm not sure whether in other books it is given. Better to have a Chandrabindu because it is Samantan. It is not Samanta. Samantan qualifying Lokan. Entire Lokan, Janan, Samastan. So Samastan is nakara. Totally, when we apply, there will be nasalized lakara. That is the Adesha in the place of nakara. Samantal Lokan, entire Loka, Janan, Duryodhanadin, Samagran, Jwaladbihi, Vadanaihi, Jwaladbihi, Kidrisha Vadana. Vadana is again mouth. Grasamanaha, Samantal, Grasamanaha, Jwaladbihi. Jwaladbihi is Agnivat, Jwajalyamanehi, Vadanaihi, Vatraihi. By the Vadana, by the Mukha, which is blazing, which is shining, which is blazing, and Samantat, all the entire thing. Grasamanaha leligyase. Grasdadu atmanepadi shanachrupam. Grasamanaha leligyase. Antaha grasamanaha, entering into you. So grasamanaha, devouring. Grasamanaha tvam, you devouring all of them. Leligyase, you lick again and again. It means you seems to enjoy. How? By your mukha, by the vadana, which is jwaladbihi vadanaihi, with your mouth, which is blazing, with your blazing mouth. Samagran lokan, the entire Samagran lokan, samantan, samagran lokan. So samagran lokan, samagran means that is it is all. Samagran lokan, samagram, the total. Samagran, samastan ityartha, samagran lokan. So samagran lokan and also samantat also is that. Okay, samagran lokan and samantat. It is samantat. That's why samantat is takara. I think it's okay. Sorry, samantat. It is samantat. Samantat is asamantat. So it is samantat, not samantan. Shamitam. Samagran is qualifying lokan. That is samantat only. Therefore, Chandrabindu not required. But it's correct only. Otherwise, I think they were given. So samagran lokan, that is samagran lokan. Samantat is aviya, in fact. It is tadita rupam. Aviya. Samantat is equal to sarvataha. People enter from all sides, therefore sarvataha. So we have to take like that from all sides. Sarvataha grasamanaha. Sarvataha samagran lokan grasamanaha vadanai juladbihi vadanaihi tvam leligyase. That is the anvaya to be done. Tvam leligyase au juladbihi vadanaihi, whom samagran lokan grasamanaha, qualifying tvam, grasamanaha tvam, samanta, sarvataha, from all sides, because Bhagavan has got both all sides, therefore sarvataha, it is samantat is correct, sarvataha, grasamanaha santaha, tvam leligyase, you like punaha asvadayase, the human flesh enter into you seems to lick. Then tejo bihi apurya jagat samagram Basastavograha Pratapanti Vishnu. Tejobihi, by the Tejas, by the effulgence, Pratapaihi, Samagram, this Samagram Jagat, this Characharam, Tavara Jangamam Jagat, Samagram, the entire Jagat, Apurya is Apurvaka Purdatu, Purane, so for Vyapya ityartaha. Apurya is Vyapya, having pervaded the entire Jagat, filling up the entire world. How? By your brilliance. Tejo bihi, Pratapaihi, by your brilliance. And you are Bhasaha, you are shining. Bhasaha. So, Bhasaha Deeptayaha. Pratipadikam is Bhas. Baha, Baso, Bhasaha. So, the Baha, Baso, Bhasaha. Bhas, Tejas, radiation. Filling up the entire world. Bhas is Sakaranta Strilinga Shabda. Baha, Baso, Bhasaha. So, Bhasaha, shine. Tava Ugraha. Ugra is Goraha ityartaha, Tikshnaha. So, Tava Bhasaha Ugraha. Your, that Bhasa, the shine, which is Ugra, which is fierce. Your shine that is Ugra. Pratapanti. And it is Tapanti, Prakarshena Tapanti, it burns. Your shine, that glow, that burning, that Pratapanti, Tapayanti, Santapayanti, like the sun which scorches. So your blazing, your effulgence, your shine is like that Pratapanti that burns. So filling up the entire world with your brilliance, your fame, your fears, Ugraha, Tibraha, your fears, flames burn. So the entire world is burnt. That is destructive aspect of the Lord is presented by Arjuna. Because he sees the destructive aspect now. In the beginning it was very nice. So now he sees the destructive aspect. Therefore, he says, Tava Ugraha Bhasaha, your Ugra Bhasa, that fierce flames, Tejobhihi, the Samagram Jagat Aporya, filling up the entire Jagat, Vyapyas, Pratapanti, Tapayanti, Nitram Tapayanti, it burns. The entire world is burnt by you, by your effulgence, by your flame. So Bhagavan consumes the entire Jagat. And his mouth, all the people, into his mouth they enter. Bhagavan swallows all the people. And the mouth is, it is Dramshtakaralani, Bhayanakani, and it is also, it is brilliant. It is the Mukani, it is Kala Nala Sannibhani, the Mukani, that Mukani into which people enter, and Bhagavan Leligyase, Tum Leligyase. And Tejo Bihi, Bhavataha Tejo Bihi, this entire Jagat is Apurya, having pervaded, Bhava, Basaha, Tava Ugraha Basaha, Pratapanti, Janan Pratapanti, Jagat Pratam, Samastam, Samagram Jagat Pratapanti. Pratapanti, for which the karma is Samagram Jagat. And the agent is Basaha. Basaha Pratapanti. Tava Ugraha, qualifying Basaha. Your Ugra, your Tibra Bhasaha, the shine, the Basaha, your shine, that flame, Basaha Pratapanti burns the entire Jagat. And you fill the entire Jagat by your stages, by your effulgence, by your brilliance. Hey Vishnu. Hey Vishnu iti Sambodhana. Then Arjuna says, having said this, because Arjuna did not expect this. Therefore, he says, Arjuna did not expect this aspect of the Lord that he would see. Therefore, he says, who are you? He asks, who are you? How is that you have assumed this terrible form? I don't really understand who are you. In fact, you cause more fear in me. Therefore, please be gracious unto me. I do not understand you. I do not understand any of your action. Iti Arjuna says, that is said in this shloka. Akhyahi me ko bhavanugraha rupo.
आख्याहि मे को भवानुग्ररूपः
Namostu te devavara prasida.
नमोऽस्तु ते
नमोऽस्तु
देववर
ते
प्रसीद
देववर प्रसीद
Vijñātumiccāmi bhavantamadhyam.
विज्ञातुमिच्छामि
तुमिच्छामि
भवन्तमाद्यम्
भवन्तमाद्यम्
Nahi prajanami tava pravrittim.
न हि
हि
प्रजानामि तव
प्रजानामि तव
प्रवृत्तिम्
प्रवृत्तिम्
Even though Arjuna is a warrior, having seen this frightful scene of the Lord, he is frightened. His ego is shaken. Therefore, he asks, Akhyahi me. Please tell me. Akhyahi. Akhyahi lotlakara. He is there. Lotlakara. Akhyahi. Kataya. Mam kataya. Me kataya. Magyam. Kataya. Bhavanugraha rupaha. Bhavanugraha rupaha. The rupa is Ugra rupa. Ugra rupaha. Bhavan. Tvam. Bhavan. Ugra rupaha. Ghora rupaha. Krur rupaha. Bhayankaraha. Ugra rupaha Bhavan. Kaha. Who are you? Kaha. Who? भवान् कः अस्ति? उग्ररूपः भवान्, क्रूररूपः भवान्, भयानकः भवान्, भयङ्करस्वरूपः भवान् कः? आख्याहि मे, प्लीस् टेल्, आख्याहि मां कथय। नमः अस्तु तुभ्यं, नमः नमः अस्तु ते ते मम नमस्कारः, अहं नमस्करोमि भवान्। हे देववर, देववर, वर इस् श्रेष्ठः इत्यर्थः। देवेषु अदेवानां श्रेष्ठः, सर्वेषु देवेषु श्रेष्ठः देववर। प्रसीद, प्रसादं कुरु, प्रसीद, may you be gracious unto me, may you be pleased. प्रसीद, प्रसीद, प्रसन्नः भव, may you be pleased. विज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवन्तम् आद्यम्, विज्ञातुमिच्छामि विशेषेण ज्ञातुमिच्छामि अहं वाट् भवन्तः आद्यम् आदौ, भवमाद्यं भवन्तम् आद्यम्। I want to know the adya, the one. Vijnatum, clearly I want to know as the one who is at the beginning of everything. I want to know Adyam. Adyam means the one who is at the beginning of everything. Why? Because Nahi Prajanami Tava Pravritti, because I don't understand your actions. So I want you, I want to know you, the cause. You are the cause. So I want to know you. Who are you? I want to know who are you. Because by your action I cannot make out anything. Tava Pravrittim Aham Na Janami. I don't understand Tava Pravritti, your action, because I find you destroying everything. Therefore, Bhavan Kaha Asti. Vadatu Aham Veditum Ichchami. Pratamam Tvam Veditum Ichchami. First, I want to know who are you. Adi Bhavantam Adyam Veditum Ichchami. Then after that, I will know, understand your action. Because I see you destroying everything. Therefore, I want to know you. You, the cause of everything, I want to know you. Bhavantam Adyam. Adyam, Bhavantam Adyam. Adyam, first. Bhavantam Aham Veditum Ichchami. Adyam is first. Firstly, I want to know you. I want to know you. Adyam. Adyam can be first or the cause. So it is Bhavantam Adyam Asamantat. Adyam could be, it can be interpreted Asamantat Sarvam Jagat. Adyam Samanta Sarvam Jagat Attum Pravrittam. Mantikakara says, the one who has engaged into swallowing the entire Jagat. That I want to know. Iti one Tikakara says, but Adyam is first, the cause. Adyam referring to the cause, the reason. Pratham, or Adyam is Prathamam. Adyam is Prathamam. Prathamam is that which is, what is Pratham? That must, which is the cause of the Prathamam. Therefore, Prathamam Adyam Bhavantam Aham Veditum Ichchami. Prathamam Tvam Veditum Ichchami. I want to know you, the cause. Cause is the Prathama. Therefore, I want to know you. Because you are revealing your actions. What I see is only the effect, the karya. But who are you? That is Adyam. I want to understand all your action. If I know you, the cause, then I will understand your action. Please reveal to me who are you, why you are assuming this temporal form, what is your real nature. In the beginning, I saw the pleasing one, Krishna, but now I don't see, is absent. Therefore, Prasida Prasannaha Bhava, please reveal, please tell me, who are you, your nature, you reveal to me. But this, the dialogues, the Arjuna Uvacha is over. All these are statements of the Arjuna. Having said this, then Arjuna's Uvacha is over. Then Bhagavan says, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. That we will see in the next class. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Tanvanti Divyai Stavaihi Vedai Sangha Padakramo Upanishadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavastita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yoginaha यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। धन्यवादः।
One doubt.
Yes.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
This churnaihi
Churnitai.
uttamangaihi churnitaihi uttamangaihi tritiya what Vidya?
चूर्णितैः उत्तमाङ्गैः चूर्णितैः which shloka?
27. Yeah.
उत्तमाङ्गैः चूर्णितैः दृश्यन्ते केचित् विलग्नाः दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैः उत्तमाङ्गैः दृश्यन्ते. Okay. दृश्यन्ते is क्रियापदम. सन्दृश्यन्ते सम्यक् दृश्यन्ते, that is well seen, that is seen, right?
Yes.
And what is seen is not given, that is
all these
मुखानि
people are entering
दृश्यन्ते
lab.
मुखानि दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैः उत्तमाङ्गैः वक्त्राणि दृश्यन्ते. मुखानि is given, you have to connect. वक्त्राणि दृश्यन्ते, वक्त्राणि बहुवचनं, that is why सन्दृश्यन्ते. Your mouth is seen and which is उत्तमाङ्गैः चूर्णितैः मुखः. Tritiya is the one minute, let me think. Churnitaihi uttamangaihi. The heads which are pulverized churnita or see no, that is, this is mukhani drishyante. Okay, it must be saha tritiya. Saha is not there. Churnitaihi uttamangaihi saha vaktrani drishyante. The mouth vaktrani drishyante, the mouth is in karmani prayoga. And the mouth which is along with the heads which are pulverized or seen. So you can take it as saha tritiya, saha yukte tritiya, saha yukte apradane, saha tritiya. Saha is not there, so but we can take it as saha tritiya. I mean, that's what comes to my mind now. Yeah, little if you think it will come. Tikakara, nobody says, nobody will discuss all in detail all these things. But anyway, churnitaihi uttamangaihi. Let me check. Sandrishyante. Kechit vilagnaha drishyante dashantareshu. And churnitaihi uttamangaihi drishyante. So kechit vilagnaha drishyante. That is that is drishyante. Okay. Kechit vilagnaha. Those people, some people who are vilagnaha, they are caught. Vilagnaha, sanlagnaha, vilagnaha. They are drishyante, not
with crushed heads like that.
Yeah, with the kechit vilagnaha dashanantareshu, in between the teeth, vilagnaha, they are caught, they are seen. Kechit sandrishyante, they are seen, and their heads are crushed. Churnitaihi uttamangaihi. So that goes with that, not vaktrani. Okay. I said
These
Bhaktrani, not Bhaktrani,
people
because this
with the
sentence.
crushed heads along with caught in
Yeah.
between.
So with the
Teeth.
crushed,
Yes.
yes. So therefore, Saha Tritiya, Churnitehi
Okay.
Uttamangaihi, Kechit, Dashanantareshu Vilagnaha Sandrishyante. You do the Anvaya like that. So then we have to be
Yes.
done. Okay, not Bhaktrani. Okay.
Yeah.
So therefore, Saha Tritiya, why not? You can take it as Saha
Okay.
Tritiya. Saha Yutte Apradane.
Okay.
Those people whose heads are crushed and they are caught in between the teeth are sin.
Mm. Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Thank you, Ji.
If anything extra is there, I will tell, or if I am wrong, I will clarify later. Karaka
Dhanyawad.
is always Vivaksha. You have to think. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyawad. Dhanyawad.
Dashanantareshu is there, right?
Yes.
Dashanantareshu, they are
In
Churnitehi,
between the
between the
teeth.
teeth. They are pulverized.
Crushed. Heads crushed in between the teeth.
The teeth. They are crushed in between the teeth. Dashanantareshu. Okay, Dashanantareshu Vilagnaha is better. Okay, don't connect here. Vilagnaha, they are caught in between the teeth. Dashanantareshu Vilagnaha Kechit, and they are Churnitehi Uttamangaihi. Churnitehi Uttamangaihi Te Kechit Rishyante. You can take it Sagatritya now. If anything is
Yes.
there, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah, Dhanyavada.
Dhanyawad.
Mm.